Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining for the first time, you're welcome. In today's makeup video, I'll be keeping it simple, meaning that there will be no heavy layers, no complicated food, just my everyday clean girl makeup and a quick head wrap. But when you want to look put together in under 10 minutes. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive into the video and get started. The first thing you want to do is to keep your face moisturized. So in this video, I'll be using La Roche-Posay. This is my holy grail. I'm so much in love. I'm going to use my hand fan to blow my face so that everything just sits in before I go in with my sunscreen. Right after my moisturizer, I'll be going in with my sunscreen and I'll be using Skin Aqua. This will not only keep your skin glowing moisturized, this will protect it from UV. So I'll be going in with my lip gloss on my lips so it doesn't get dry. Using MAC Studio Fix palette, I'm just going to apply that under my eyes and everywhere there is a dark spot to help with the hyperpigmentation. That I put it on my dark spots so it blends in with the rest of the skin. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Apply a bit of concealer here, just a stab like this. Everything you do to this other side of the face, you have to repeat it on the side. That's the rule. Something close to my skin tone to just give me the warmth that I need. I'm using the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealing Foundation. It's actually not a foundation. I'm just going to dab just like we do in full face or full glam, just around here. Then I like to bring it downward. You can see my double chin protruding a bit here. I like to just put mine halfway, not bring it all the way down. See, this blush is highly pigmented, so blend that into my concealer and my contour just to create a depth and warmth. Gave me that sculpted and lifted cheekbone. I'm going to go in with a brighter shade under my eyes to brighten it and make it pop. I'll be using In My Skin by Urban Beauty. This is one of the best concealer that I have ever used and still using here. I'm going to use By Night setting powder to set my under eyes. Just rub it off. Press. Setting the bronzer using my shade of powder. That's my whole face, so everything combines together. Brush my brows upwards for a fuller look. Repeat the same thing on this other side. I'll be using Got To Be gel as my brow gel. I'm just going to follow the lines of my brows. Define the brows. I'm using my powder shade. I'll be using this Kiss Beauty setting spray.
Let's just roll that dice, my darling.
I'm going to add a bit of the setting powder on the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to use my brush to bring back the color.
Something never heard before. 'Cause sweet talking me and giving me lies.
I'm also going to use my powder brush to
So my
dab.
darling, you say you want me back. I say, get your head out of the blue.
I'm going to make the lip as natural as possible. I'll be using Colourpop lipstick.
You weren't here when I was around, running round all over town, thinking that I would be waiting at home. Oh, honey, no, honey, I ain't been your stepping stone, my darling.
It's not working that way.
I hear you need my love, but it just ain't here no more, no more, no more. No more for you. Oh, my darling.
And that's the routine. Easy, simple, and out the door. So comment down below if you'll be trying this no makeup look and what your 10-minute beauty secret is in the comment section. Thank you for watching and do well to subscribe. See you in my next video.
Who are you texting right now?
All I wanna do
Still my base, still my routine, and just